So all I'm going to do, I'm going to roll it into a circle, kind of flatten it with my fingers. And this does not require any special tools for this. Now if you want to inscribe anything in it, you can use kind of your paintbrush. All we're going to do is just kind of make it look like it's been rounded and pressed with something. Just like that. And we're going to use a little more water. And attach it right on there. And I'm going to grab one more little ramekin, and all I'm going to do is take just a drip and a little bit of water, and I'm just going to kind of hit it so it doesn't look quite so bright and so that it's kind of shiny, almost like a wax seal would be. Now all we need to do is add our bubbles.